What is a TSAP? TSAP stands for Transfer Single Articulation Pathway. It refers to a statute passed to make your transfer process faster, easier, and simpler. TSAP lets you start at a college like Ivy Tech or Vincennes University, complete a TSAP associate degree, and transfer to Indiana University. Then you can finish your bachelor's degree without losing credit, repeating classes, or wasting any time. There are currently 12 TSAP degrees to choose from, ranging from criminal justice to engineering to education to business, and soon we'll be adding even more. So think of TSAP like 2 plus 2. Most bachelor's degrees require 120 credit hours. TSAP lets you complete 60 of those, an associate degree, at one college, and then transfer all 60 to a 4-year program at IU, pending your acceptance. So 60 credits at one place plus 60 credits at IU all adds up to 120 credits, your very own bachelor's degree. So what do these credits include? Half of the 60 credits in the TSAP are the statewide Transfer General Education Core, or the STGEC. This is 30 credits of work in 6 core areas or competencies: written communication, speaking and listening, quantitative reasoning, scientific ways of knowing, social and behavioral ways of knowing, humanistic and artistic ways of knowing. The second half of the 60 credits is specific to whatever TSAP major you choose. What's your end of the deal? First, you have to successfully earn your associate degree in one of the many TSAP fields from Ivy Tech Community College or Vincennes University. TSAP is a competency-based pathway, so it relies on you achieving the intended learning outcomes from each class in your associate degree. Second, you still have to apply and be accepted to IU and to your intended degree program. This means you have to meet IU's admission requirements, which may include a GPA requirement that is different from your previous college. Research your requirements and keep them in mind as you proceed. What if you don't complete all 60 credits in your TSAP program? If you leave the TSAP pathway before completing your whole associate degree but still want to transfer, IU will have to examine every course you completed individually. That's the benefit of the TSAP. It packages all of your credits together so that IU looks at your file and sees TSAP and accepts the whole thing. What if you started college before the TSAP was established? TSAP applies to students who started college beginning in summer 2015 or later. But if you're interested in TSAP and started before then, talk with an advisor at both your old and new campus to see if you're eligible. What if you get a bad grade in a TSAP class? Good question. Let's say you got a D in a class on your way to the TSAP. The good news is, even with a D, your TSAP package can still transfer as long as your total TSAP GPA is a 2.0 or a C average. The bad news is that it might not be enough for your intended program requirements, so you might need to retake the class at IU. What if you change your major? If you decide to change your major while pursuing your TSAP associate's degree, you might have to take additional courses. If you change your major to one that isn't on the TSAP list, you will no longer be evaluated as a TSAP student. Your credits will all be evaluated individually. Okay, so we just covered a lot of information about TSAP. Here is what you need to remember. TSAPs are supportive pathways to help you achieve your academic goals quicker. Find the degree TSAP that's best for you now. Visit tsap.indiana.edu. Speak with your advisor at your home institution and get on track now to meet the first 60 credit requirement. Once you start the pathway, give it your best to stay on track and maintain the required GPA.